What's up, guys? All right, today on, I guess we can call it 6 Sips, chilling it by myself today. We are going to talk about something that I saw on site at a project that just really baffles me on why this happens, but I see it all the time and I felt like it needed to be talked about. So we're out in the middle of nowhere and there's some sprinkler work going on with a fire contractor and stuff, and it starts raining. I was like, all right, cool, it's raining. I love the rain. Being from Phoenix, it never rains. It never rains at all. Well, I was outside walking past, I was like, oh yeah, I remember that there was some sprinkler pipe that was just laying outside. Yeah, just completely laying outside, being drenched by the rain. And I just looked at it and I got fuming. Because, you know, the reason sprinkler systems fail is because water, air, and metal are in the system. And then when you get new installs, if you're leaving your pipe outside and installing it into either an older system or a new system, you're just putting already pre-conditioned corroded pipe into the facility. And it baffles my mind that the way we care for pipe is part of the reason why systems fail so frequently. If we're not gonna keep our pipes dry before we install them and not get them exposed to the elements, don't expect the full lifetime of that pipe to last. Because if you got air, water, metal, it's gonna start corroding, it's gonna start pinholes before you even put it in. You can't see it, but molecularly, it's starting. And it just doesn't make sense. And so I want to point that out and kind of, you know, draw some attention to the practices of holding pipe, whether you're a fire contractor or an end user, should be assessed so then when it does get installed into a new facility or as a retrofit or an upgrade, a TI improvement, whatever you want to call it, that it's replaced with well-conditioned pipe. Not pipe that's been sitting outside and rusting and is going to cause more issues down the road. So, hot take, cover your pipe and stop leaving it outside, because when rain happens, you're causing corrosion. Yep, that's about it.